Assalamu alaikum sir, my name is Hassan Ali Shoaib. My SAP ID is 24782 and I am a student of section CS22. So now I am going to present my code of assignment number 4 and the topic is polymorphism. So you can see this is my main class in which I have created an object for customer class C, and here I am calling its method. Now let's go to customer class. In this class sir, you can see I have a method placeholder, and here are some of display messages. And here I have created an object for scanner input to take input from user, and here I'm taking an input, and this input will be stored to attribute order, which is of data type integer. Then this input will be given to switch statements. In first case, this message will be displayed, and then I have created an object in reference from superclass to child class, which is basically runtime polymorphism, which is also called dynamic binding. And and then I have called its of methods, first order and then payable. And similar to this case 2 and case 3, first it will display output message, then I have created its object and reference from superclass to child class, then the same methods will be called. And then case 3, play message, and then I have created its object in reference from superclass to child class, which is basically runtime polymorphism, and then I have called it, its methods, and this is an output display message. And now sir, this is my superclass order. Here first of all I have created an attribute named bill of data type integer, and it's it is protected. So basically it can be accessed in child classes. And now a method order and pay bill. And now sir, this is my child class deal1, which is extended from superclass order. And here I've created a constructor to initialize the value of attribute bill to 3, which is the price of bill, which is the bill. And here is my method order, which will display pizza burger, and a method pay bill, which will display the bill of deal 1. And similarly sir, deal 2, which is extended from superclass order, and then constructor for initializing value of bill, a method order, which will display pizza, cold drink and drink, and another method which will display the bill. And now sir, deal 3, this deal 3 class is extended from superclass order. It is a child class, deal 3, and this is a constructor for initializing the value of attribute bill. And I have two methods named order and payable. The method order will display chicken wings and pizza, and the other method will display the bill of the order. So this was my code for assignment. Thank you sir.